Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing beetroot superfood latte. So it's a great, easy, healthy recipe, and it's a great alternative to coffee and drinking caffeine. So beetroot is great for antioxidants, it has vitamin C, it's great for controlling your blood pressure, gives you more energy when you are actually working out. So I would highly recommend this drink for you. So stick around as I go into the recipe and show you guys how to make this in under 10 minutes. The first ingredient that we need is actually a beetroot superfood powder. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'll bring it to you. There we go. Beetroot superfood powder you can actually get from any health store or pharmacy, an online retailer. So it's really good. I mean, it's literally beetroot that has been powdered. You can get an organic version and completely vegan, because there are a lot of retailers out there or manufacturers that put a lot of fillers in your beetroot powder. So get this. A lot of people ask, can you use normal beetroot, like if I boil it and grate it? Look, it's not going to give you that intense flavor that you need. I mean, this is concentrated beetroot. So, I mean, yes, you could try it out, but if you're going to boil, grate it, and then put it into your milk, and then you can strain it out and you can drink it. Yeah, I say yeah, absolutely. The second ingredient that we need is coconut milk, okay? So I've got here about 500 grams of coconut milk. You could use coconut cream, you could use any vegan milk if you like, even dairy if you don't have any issues. I don't drink dairy because obviously it's a big issue for me with my gut and IBS, so I stick with a coconut milk or a rice milk. The next ingredient is organic honey. It must be raw honey. Is because it hasn't been processed, it hasn't been stripped of any of its nutrients. It's got all the pollen, it's got all the beautiful ingredients that you need and antioxidants that boost your immune system. So it's that simple. It's 3 ingredients in under 10 minutes that will give you a beetroot superfood latte. Okay, so let's begin with making our latte. So we're going to take our coconut milk, and I already have a saucepan that's actually pretty hot. I'm going to add my coconut milk. You can hear that sound. It's great, that amount should do. And so while that heats up, I'm now going to take some of my honey and I'm going to add that into the saucepan. So you probably need about 1 tablespoon. Okay. And mix that in quite gently. Take our beetroot powder, remember? And we're going to put in about half a tablespoon. And let that dissolve and keep stirring until all the granules are actually mixed. And it looks absolutely luscious, pink and beautiful. We're going to take this and we're going to pour, and you can see. Look how beautiful. Oh, is that? And that is your beautiful beetroot. Take a look. That is your beautiful beetroot latte. So now I'm going to have a sip. Yummy. It's got the beetroot flavor, it's got the honey, it's got that rich and creamy coconut milk to offset all of that, sharpness. I love this. I mean, you could even add ginger if you'd like, and a little bit of vanilla extract if you really want to be that extra. This is amazing. So if you guys want a healthy cup alternative to coffee and caffeine, I would go with a beautiful beetroot superfood latte. And cheers!